Hello everyone, my name is Sooraj Lokare, a 3D visualization artist having a 10 years of experience in architectural visualization and product visuals. Now imagine this, taking screenshot of your 3D software and uploading on the website and seeing your render within a fraction of a second. Today we are going to explore how AI can help us in rendering. Like you just take a screenshot of any 3D software, whether it's 3ds Max, SketchUp, anything, right? So you just take a screenshot, upload it on the website, and you will be able to see the render within a fraction of a second. So after seeing this technology, I cancelled my plan of buying high-end computer, and because in the next few months AI will change everything. We all 3D artists were dependent on the high configuration computer, but now the technology I am seeing here within just next few months, rendering will not be dependent on high configuration computer. Just buy any cheap computer and you can be able to create renders using AI. For this tutorial, I am using ReRenderAI.com. I am thankful to Mr. Willie Jong who approached me to create this tutorial. I will show you step-by-step guide how to create visuals and renders of an architecture or any interior within just fraction of a second. Have a look to it. Now here is the magic. I would like to show it. Just open your 3D software, right? And you just need to take a screenshot of this and upload into the Render AI. But before I take to that procedure, first important things I want to tell you. Whatever screenshot you are going to take, just check the model and the materials applied are properly visible in your screenshot, right? So here you can see wooden texture here, right? Rock texture here, your black rock texture you can see, and the colors I have applied it, right? Now you can see the one important thing that you can clearly understand this is a tree. Yeah, so help AI to understand what you are going to create. The more important thing that the lights I have placed, you can see that it is in yellow color, right? You can easily understand the lights are in this color. So obviously AI will also easily understand this is a glass and railing. Okay, so more details you give to the AI, okay, more visibility you give to the AI will create a nice result. This is the simple technique I follow. So what I do, I take a screenshot of this model using a sniffing tool. Okay, Windows just is the shortcut of this, and I take a screenshot. Okay, properly take a screenshot as per your required view. Okay, and now just hit on this capture button. So it will be automatically saved in the pictures folder of your Windows PC. The pictures folder, if you go and I go into Google, I search Render AI. This is the website. It's so good for the AI rendering. You can use it, right? Okay, you just click on it, and if you closely see this interface, it is very easy to understand: render, enhance, coloring, editing, mood board, everything, right? So I go into the tab render. Okay, in this render tab, I have whatever I was trying using this website, the previous history you can see here. So just ignore for right now it. Now here you see a upload of image, right? And here see some types, styles, what type of rendering you are visualizing, right? Everything we will see step by step. So first you need to do, just go here and whatever the screenshot we just took, just take it and upload it or drag it on your upload image tab. Within a just second it gets uploaded, right? Now it is uploaded. So what is the difference between the other AI tools and ReRender, right? ReRender is specially designed as per architectural render tool. Hey, what you need to do is just take a style you are visualizing. Okay, I take this single family Islamic Mughal mode. Okay, now I choose this, so obviously I will ignore it. Now if you want to see the more tabs, you just click on this more and you'll see the mood board of your rendering, right? So I choose this one. I like this default Islamic Mughal. You can choose anything, whatever you want, as per your requirement, as per your concept, as per your idea. Okay, so many mood boards are here already, you can see, right? So I move to the second tab. Here is the time of the day. I take evening mode, which I really like most. So midday is more there, right? So I choose this one, okay, sunset, and confirm it. So I'm not right now choosing any sky. I keep this as a default, but if you want that, you can choose anything, whatever the sky you, if you want to see in the background, right? So I choose this one and confirm. Okay, now here is this another tab we are going to use, landscape. Okay, so landscape in the background, whatever else you will see in the background of your render, in the background of your elevation, just choose it wisely. So I take this one, okay. Yeah, remember we choose Islamic Mughal evening mode. Whatever the AI will generate, it will come similar to the this mood and the sky you are choosing. Okay, so mood board are always visualize, it will match on this thing and your sky mode. Okay, so I am not going to check anything in this architectural tab right now, but if you want, you can choose. So here you see clay model and everything. You see concrete model, steel model, glass, wood, stone, brick, bamboo, clay, gypsum, plastic. If you are trying your architecture model in a clay model, if you want to visualize your idea in just a realistic rendering, you can just choose a clay and see within just 1 minute you will be able to see a clay renders. Okay. For right in this case, not using this clay render. Okay. So I just keep it clear. And now you can see there is a prompt. Okay, so I do not want to add any prompt. If you are going to add a prompt, make sure it has a proper detailing, otherwise do not add any prompt, because ReRender is designed with the template they have given, right? So in this case I'm not going to add any prompt. I'm just hit on precise button and preserve texture tab, and just keep it as a preserve texture. And I would like to just tick on this option, preserve texture. Okay, so here I'm just hitting the render tab and just wait for the result. Okay, now just wait for whatever the AI is going to render for our illusion. And you just need to wait for just 2 to 3 minutes. 18-20%. Oh my god, wow, look at this. Everything what we have chosen here, it is rendered. Lighting, if you see it took a wooden, right? If you see that the texture was properly visible, so it took the same wooden texture here, right? If you choose the color, I choose like the same gray color it took, right? Now, as I told you before, it took a proper glass. Why? Because in my screenshot the glass was proper visible, so AI generated properly that it is a nice render. Okay, so AI also understood that this was a glass. Okay, now so this is the render. I can't believe this. So you just need to try. If you are not satisfied with the result, then at some point you just need to add some prompts. Okay, and if I want to add some character here, I can do it. So what I do, I just add few random characters. So I just keep very simple, add few random characters in this image. Now let's see. I don't want to confuse AI, I kept it very simple. And now just keep this option precise. Okay, now I'm going to just regenerate. Okay, hit on the tab, regenerate. Yeah, in the similar kind of render we got few changes, and but I'm really happy with the result. If you see the characters, here are the characters, one character, two characters, and one some teenager girl is sitting here, right? I don't think few humans are not looking good, and just try with few attempts. What we do, if you are not happy with this result, then you can try as much as we can. If you have a pro plan, yes, I am now happy with the result. I am saying a small kid is sitting here, yeah, it's okay, and one man is reading newspaper about the terrorists. I don't know what he is reading here. These two humans are as per the proportion, I guess. Right, if you want to show your idea to your client, then you can use this render AI. Just show the client that I have created this typical model, And if you are okay with this, then we will go with this concept and improve, and then use a professional rendering tool. Or otherwise, if you are happy with this render and if your client is happy, then nothing matters. If you want to try this ReRenderAI.com, then I have an offer for you. If you use a coupon code there, then you will get a 20% discount while buying the subscription. So you will also get a 7 days free pro account with unlimited rendering access. Okay, so just add a surajlokare.2025 account section. Every detail I have given in the description section. You can read it. End of the tutorial, I would like to tell you a few things. AI is fast, AI is changing everything, but let me tell you one important thing. AI cannot replace real design thinking mind. So be original, keep exploring, and let AI assist your imagination, not replace it. Thank you very much for watching this. Subscribe my channel for more tutorials. I will be uploading 3ds Max, more tutorials on 3ds Max, V-Ray rendering and Corona rendering, everything related to 3D visualization and 3D animation. I will keep uploading.
In space, it's time. Can design, grand design, right? Night to day.